The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Juneau County in central Wisconsin, northeastern Vernon County in southwestern Wisconsin, northern Richland County in southwestern Wisconsin, southeastern Monroe County in west central Wisconsin, until 5 p.m. At 3:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles southwest of Toma to near Westby, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lafarge around 4 p.m. Elroy and Hillsborough around 4:10 p.m. Walk around 4:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Wildcat Mountain State Park, County Roads D and North, Jersey Valley County Park, Barton's Corners, Lloyd, Bunker Hill, and Germantown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Juneau, Monroe, Richland, and Vernon.